Hi friends, my name is Shruti and you're watching my channel Mind Body Fit. Summers have started and I love summers only for two reasons. One, you get lots of mangoes in the season, and two, watermelons. Watermelons are just perfect for summers. Watermelons keep you hydrated and natural cooling properties in watermelon calms your body. And it's best when you're losing weight as it has lots of good fiber in it and 90% of watermelon is water. So this summer season, don't forget to include watermelon in your diet and all the food which has high water content so that you keep yourself hydrated. Drink lot of water, plenty of water this summer season, so that will make your skin glow. So today we are going to make something very interesting out of watermelon and all water content ingredients that's going to keep you hydrated this summer. So let's tune into the recipe. Before tuning to the recipe, I want to tell you, if you are into a serious weight loss goal or into a serious fitness transformation goal, there's a lot of things coming up on my channel. So do subscribe and press that notification bell so that you're not missing any important video coming in for your weight loss journey. So you can see my channel, I've started posting all the salad recipes, all low calorie recipes, all good kind of exercise, and how to trick your mind, how to maintain that lifestyle. There's a lot coming up on my channel. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't miss any of the videos. That's really going to help you in your weight loss transformation. I'm going to tell you all tricks and techniques, give you all diet and recipes, and we are going to achieve this goal because I myself is on weight loss transformation and fitness is more of a weight loss. So together we're going to have a higher purpose of fitness, build in more stamina and achieve lots in our life. So let's begin with a salad recipe.